Hi YouTube, it's Alan Sugano. I'm the president of ADS Consulting Group, and today's topic is about a bunch of Exchange critical cumulative updates that were released on August 9th of 2022. So this and it also Patch Tuesday, which is Patch Tuesday, August 9th. Microsoft released patches that address I don't know, it's like 141 or 121 depending on who you talk to vulnerabilities. Exchange was one of them. So if you are running on-prem Exchange, please get on the latest cumulative update. I will put a link here that shows you all the current build numbers as well as how to get the current cumulative update for any supported version of Exchange, which is Exchange 2019, Exchange 2017, and Exchange 2013. It is really important you get those updates installed because they are pretty serious vulnerabilities. So if you need help patching your servers, we can certainly help out with that. You can send an email to info@adscon.com. I'll put a link here. And that's our tip of the week. If you like this content, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. It does help out the channel. Stay safe out there. Get your Exchange servers patched. Please. Don't wait for a compromise to happen or you'll be very sad. You might want to check out my other video on business email compromise. It is just running rampant. So anyway, stay safe out there and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks a lot.